seems to be operational. Nothing wrong with it, as far as I can tell. But the problem is, there's nothing interesting going on today. So how am I going to get something interesting to film here? Huh? What's that noise? Ah! Wait, was that Chompy? I wonder where he's going. Wait a minute. This gives me an idea. Oh, you're such a cute dog, aren't you? And the way you bark, you're so adorable. Oh, I must be lucky finding a dog like you. Huh? What's that noise? Ah! This is one cute book. And here I thought I wasn't gonna like it. Huh. This hover dog is very friendly. What was that? Nothing as far as I can see. Whatever, I'll just keep reading my book.
Meanwhile...
Now, Bowser Jr., you do know that if you don't find him...
Yeah, I know, Kamek. If I don't find Chompy before this afternoon, I'm gonna be in big trouble.
That's right. Normally I'd be the one looking after him, but I have other duties this afternoon. So it's up to you to look for him.
Alright.
Why don't you go ask around in certain places in the Mushroom Kingdom, like some of the other minions and stuff, if they've seen Chompy.
Well, that's what I was thinking of doing, but... Thanks, Kamek.
You're welcome, Prince Jr.
Where could that dog gone off to? Okay, where could Chompy have gone off to? Huh? What? Say, Yoshi! Your dog's friend's missing too? What was his name? Poochy, was it? Oh. Well, my dog, Chompy, the Chain Chomp's missing. You wouldn't have seen him, would you? No, I haven't seen Poochy. fact, I don't even know what he looks like. I just don't even know his name. Oh. Hey, you know what? Since both our dogs are missing, why don't we team up and search for them? Yeah? Yeah, I know, it seems absurd, the two of us, searching for our dogs together, but we have to search for them, Yoshi. Together. I don't know what trouble you're into, but if I don't search for my dog, my dad's gonna scold me. So, truce? Temporary truce? Alright. So what do you think we should ask for? Who do you think we should ask first? If they've seen our dogs. What? What's that? But he's all the way down in... Alright, let's go.
Now, are you sure you can get it fixed?
As sure as, rubber glue.
Hey guys.
Oh, Poochy Jr, what do you want?
Have you seen our pet Chompy? And Yoshi's friend Poochy?
No, we haven't seen him.
No, we haven't seen him.
Crud.
Now if I do this...
Meanwhile...
Now we got him.
Yeah.
Give us all your money, Luigi.
And not just the money you have on you.
Mama, are you gonna come help us? Mama, are you? Ah, crud, he's asleep. Well, anyway, he won't happen to Mario. We're still gonna... You heard it? Yeah, I heard him. It's that blessed chain chomp! Run! Ah! Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Yeah.
Later.
No, we haven't seen them. sure you'll find them eventually. Oh, man. Oh. Well, Yoshi, who should we ask next? We asked a few people so far. I'm starting to get worn out.
Hey! You're looking for your dog friends?
Who's that?
Why, me? It's me! Prince Jr.?
Oh, hey, Lackadoo. And yeah, we're looking for them.
Well, you should have came to me sooner. I saw them a lot earlier. They're causing a lot of ruckus. But eventually I decided to distract the two with the ball. And they've been playing with it ever since.
Where are they now?
Over in the meadow.
In the meadow? Come on, Yoshi! We don't got more to lose! Wing, wing. There you two are! Yoshi, Yoshi! We was looking all over for you! Well, we found them, thanks to Lacta's help.